Next, I want to show you how to analyze the tags inside of your videos here that you've analyzed. So in the videos tool, I analyzed a bunch of videos based on the search keyword DIY. So we got 347 videos in here, and you can see in the tags column we got a whole bunch of tags. So what would be really useful, a tool that we've integrated in here, is the ability to kind of get a value of these tags, because it's kind of nice to know what tags are most valuable that you can use in your own marketing. So let's go ahead and analyze the tags, otherwise known as keywords, that the owners of these videos on YouTube are putting into their listing in order to get their videos to show up better in the search results. So let's take a look at that. So what you want to do, first thing you need to do is you need to select the videos that you want to analyze the tags for. And in order to do that, you got to select these checkboxes, but I'm just going to select them all. So if you just click this little checkbox in the top row up here, you see you'll get these options, and I want to select all. You can also get access to those checkboxes just by right-clicking anywhere in the grid and just going to checkboxes, and you got the same stuff here. So now that it's selected, what we can do is we can hit that Analyze button and go Analyze Video Tags, or again, you can right-click under Videos tool. You will see Analyze Video Tags right here. So go ahead and left-click that. It does take a bit because there was almost 350 different, and there's a whole bunch of keywords in those tag columns. So you see here it found 4,165 different tags in all those listings. Now here's the powerful information you'll get from this tool here. Just make it a little bit bigger. So now what we can see is we can see the number of times these tags have occurred in those listings that we selected. There was 347, and there's also a total of 194 unique channels amongst all of those videos. So just some other information that's very useful. Now we can take a look and we can see that do-it-yourself DIY obviously is the most common one because that's what I searched for. But you can see crafts and tutorial DIY projects, and you start to get to see the occurrences. So we're sorted by occurrences here. You can sort any column just by clicking the very top cell. And now we can go over and take a look at some of the other things. So there was 252 occurrences. That means 72.6% of all of these videos contained that tag. Obviously, it's pretty important for this particular set of videos. But now let's get into some different values here that you can kind of like put a value on these. Like, how valuable are these in terms of getting views and getting likes? So now we know here, this here is the average views per tag. That's pretty cool, right? Because if you look at, say for example, this first listing here, and it has all these tags, well, these tags for this particular listing has an associated views. So you can look here, this video got 13 million views and 143,000 likes. Well, now we can translate that data into this tool, and we can understand the value of these actual tags, the keyword tags. So you can see here, this particular tag is worth 32,000 views per tag. On average, that's what it did amongst those 347 videos. But what's awesome is now you can sort by here. Obviously, you want to be sorting. So let's take a look at the occurrence. I just want to look at, so if you want to filter out these, you can click the little search button, you bring up the quick filters, and now let's go and look at, I want to see ones that have occurred more than 50 times. So now we're left with 15 tags that occurred more than 15 times, or more than, what did I put? 50 times, I believe. Next, what we can do is we can sort by the views per tag over here. Now we can see, this one occurred 65 times, but it got the most views per tag. So DIY activities might be a very valuable tag, even more valuable than the DIY. So you can get another sense, but it didn't get that many likes per tag on that one. So this one got the most likes, useful things, life hacks, how to. But anyways, right away, I know that these set of keywords and tags are much more valuable than all the other 4,000 we just looked at. So you can see just how incredibly powerful this really is. And now you can just select these keywords, and then you can just use them in your marketing. So one way to select them is you can just hold down your control key and you can select all the cells here real quickly. And now you can go Control C on your keyboard, and you can bring up just a little text file and bring it into view here. You can right click and paste, and there's your keywords that you could use in your tag listings for your videos, or maybe you're doing research for a client, then you can supply them with these tags. Say, hey, look, use these tags in your videos, and you're gonna probably find better results from getting views and likes to your videos. So that's an awesome tool, and you can also save the data out to project file, comma delimited text. You can just save just the tags. You can copy just the tags instead of doing it the way I just did there. You can actually just go file and go copy all tags. If you do that, you could see you'll copy all the tags that are visible. Copy selected. Selected is when you select the checkboxes, and then highlighted is just highlighted like so. Anyhow, and that's how we can use the video analyzers, the video tag analyzer. It's a very powerful little tool, and I hope you really enjoy using it. Thanks for watching.